To use standby mode on iPhone 17, first of all, we need to make sure that the standby mode is enabled. So we can now open settings, scroll down over here in order to find standby, and then make sure that standby here is enabled. Now, after that, what you need to do is you need to start charging your phone. So we're gonna plug the USB cable in. There we go. We are now charging, and we can lock the phone. Next, we're gonna rotate our phone and put it like this. It can be placed on the left or right side. And after that, apparently we have to wait like a minute or so. I'm not sure why it's not working immediately, because usually you should be able to see the standby mode immediately on the screen once you place your phone just like that. But let's just simply wait for the standby mode to appear on the screen. And then once it happens, as you can see, we have the welcome message. This appears when you trigger the standby mode for the first time. So let's just press continue, and there we go. We have our calendar. We can swipe up and down in order to switch between different widgets. We can also scroll over here in order to change the clock or some other information. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.